mi gente, bienvenidos para atrás al canal. So, es domingo, Houston, es el último domingo del mes, so hay un evento que tenemos años viniendo on and off, se llama Trucks and Coffee. So today there's their anniversary weekend, and you know, we decided to come out here and support them, you know, check out the trucks. We haven't been out here in a bit, so I got my sidekick over there, Sophie. She's ready to go. And we just got to stop by the store, get us a Red Bull, get us some coffee. It's too hot for coffee, but we'll get us a Red Bull, get something to drink, and get out there and check out some trucks and support these guys from Trucks and Coffee. They're really good people to us, and you know, it's good people to be around with. So let's head out there. We've got about a 30-45 minute drive from where we're at, but let's get on the road.
Por Obregón, México y Guadalajara, los gringos a mí me caen, mi compa de la patada, como que soy de la sierra, a mí no me importa nada.
Alright, so we're here. A little bit different setup than last time, but we're gonna park outside since we're riding the Topic today. We're not in any kind of classic truck. Just gonna park the Topic back here, walk in there, see what all they got. You know, check them out. ¿Te hablé, culero?
Nah, I called you ring twice and it went voicemail.
Earlier.
Oh yeah, I probably had it on oh yeah, I see.
Not disturbed shit.
Yeah.
Anyway, this one came out nice though, man. Oh, that's right, oh boy, A+, A1+.
And he said headliner spray and white.
Yeah, I got proof that it's still not bad. Nothing. Nosotros estamos locos a la verga, sí. We're the only crazy ones to do this.
Oh shit. Yeah, headliner is rising the easy
Ooh, they came out really good.
I get my carpet in next this week coming up with ponérsela.
The carpet, we doing the seats or what?
Yeah, we do the seat, the panels, todo lo vamos a hacer.
One at a time, baby.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Because what did they have us on the roof? ¿Qué tenía? Plastic?
The red one, but it was all falling down.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, you good, man.
Yeah, dude, it came out really nice.
Ahí va.
I like the
Yeah, I should have did. I should have the antenna,
That's right.
the brake light.
Did it have a brake light on this
Yeah.
one? Did you? What year is this? 94. Yeah, it had it.
I should have that on, should have the antenna, save this.
Yeah, this truck we originally bought it out of Dallas. I think I got it from Dallas.
Yeah, no,
Well, if you call it a truck, it was just the cab and the frame. It came out of Dallas and set up a little bit. Rudy wanted one, and we actually had a meet.
Yeah.
We're fixing to do a cruise. Like, man, I want me an OBS. I'm like, go get that one, man. You still gonna redo it all. There you go. I love you. What up? How you doing? Everything good?
How's the fight coming along? How's the truck coming along?
It's coming along. Waiting on Axis to get the puppy file back. And my dually, I'm waiting on me, actually. You know, I have to fire it up. It's been ages, it's been too hot. Dando la vuelta. Vi que venían para acá y me vine.
Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
My daughter.
Yeah. That's the first time I see you out here. I mean, I never seen you.
Yeah, she comes out every once in a while.
Yeah. No, this is all I got left. I gotta order more, man.
You like this one? I started getting some kids because no tenía de small right there. Yeah. That was a small one. They don't have the cars though, it just has my logo. ¿Está bien? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Damn! ¿De dónde, güey?
Y delgadita, la mejor creación de Dios son las mujeres bonitas. Le besa y los dejo yo. Voy a disfrutar la vida. Yo no sé si se llama el andril, pero me gusta lo bueno. Me subo a mi carretón de una laca pa'l cerebro. Así me enseñó mi papá cuando vivía allá en el cerro. No me gusta ni el cristal, el perico, mucho menos. También me enseñó a forjar con colitas de borrego. Y no me gusta quemar, pues se me manchan los dedos. Me paseo por Obregón, México y Guadalajara. Los gringos a mí me caen, mi compa de la patada. Como que soy de la sierra, a mí no me importa nada. Me voy a bolevarear con mi botella en la mano. Ayer la cerveza trae y la música tocando. A 1000% me cae, me la paso cotorreando.
So we got all the army people training, but checking out the car show.
Check out the car show. Hey, I gotta kill two birds with one stone.
Right? Yeah, we'll run. There's another day for running, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Go have fun.
You too. Bien. Míralo. ¿Qué pueblo para usted, ¿Cómo andan? What you got? What you want?
Candy and we got agua fresca now.
Oh, that's right. De la de Oasis?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, which one you want, man? ¿Agarras Zeo, Cacha?
Sí, tengo eso.
Yeah, okay. Alright. We'll get y'all candy, guys. So, around y'all. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
There you go. He's this kid's been around for a little bit. He's always been good to us and stuff. So support everybody, you know. Yeah, you got our candy. Look at him.
Full throttle, man. How are you, big brother?
Man, doing good. So how many years?
5 years a day, man. Since 2017, we started this, hey, on a hope, right? We just wanted to bring some classic trucks out. We wanted to do something cool for the community. And look at it today, bro. I mean, everyone's out here representing Full Throttle. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. This guy is everywhere. He's working, he's grinding, he's doing giveaways. I mean, you guys, you don't understand. You know, I host this little event. There's so much work. This guy goes to all the shows. He has 10 times more work. So make sure you click subscribe. We're all here to support each other. Thank you for everything you've done, man.
So I appreciate you putting all this together, man. We've been, I was just telling my daughter, we've been out here probably 4 years.
4 years now, yeah.
On off, and we seen that you had your anniversary. We didn't have any trucks ready, but so we got to go out there.
We got to come out, and every time, you know, he has a truck ready, he comes out, supports us, and we support him. And that's why this thing is so big, because you got guys like him, guys like me that just support each other and just, you know, hey, whatever we can do para ayudarnos. Park tour. Hey, we may be at Tom Bass Park. That's kind of close to you guys. So FYI, man, I'm working on that for you guys for the next one, okay? So we're trying to do it, man. But ya sabes, carnal, thank you so much for everything, man. We'll be at all the shows together. Follow this guy, subscribe, click the link below.
There you go. All kind of trucks and cars out here at Trucks and Coffee. 50th year anniversary. This man's been owning this truck for how many years, sir?
45.
45 years. Look, he's got a combination to get this thing in drive, huh?
Crank it up,
Huh?
put it in 4, never touch it again. It upshift, downshift like a normal car.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
regular drive.
These are nothing.
Okay.
Pull up the red light, right next to the freeway.
Yeah.
Ain't no cops around. Pull this one low. It activates these. Now I'm in first. Green light, second, third, fourth. By then you're doing 100. Come up on an 18-wheeler and go around him, back to third.
Okay.
Nice.
Manually shifting automatic transmission.
Okay.
Yeah. Really, really nice. Well, appreciate your time, sir. Nice truck.
Thank you.
Damn. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. You know, it's Sunday morning, Trucks and Coffee. Like Nando said, it's been going on for 5 years. Support each other out here. So that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate everybody. Subscribe, hit the notifications, like the video, drop a comment, and also don't forget giveaway going on right now. 11-second budget truck. You know, shoppapipaga.net. Get your entries. It's gonna be over October 29th. Last day to enter is October 29th. Battle of the full size going on that day at HMP. That's our event. That'll be the last day to enter, and then that following week, probably Wednesday, Thursday, we'll announce the winner. Go from there. So appreciate the support, and we'll see you on the next one.